Have you ever wondered why the most ordinary sound, your stomach growling, is actually louder when you're hungry? Here's a twist. Your stomach always makes noise, but when it's empty, there's nothing to muffle the sound. Therefore, it roars like a mini thunderstorm inside you. And get this, those growls aren't just from hunger. They're your intestines cleaning themselves. Question for you. Did you know your stomach can growl even while you're asleep? But here's the wildest part. Scientists say your belly can rumble at up to 3 times louder than normal talking, which means your stomach might actually be louder then.